My name is Dr. Nais Majani. I'm a pediatric cardiologist from the Jakaya Kikwete Cardiac Institute. The Jakaya Kikwete Cardiac Institute is in Tanzania, Dar es Salaam, and it is the only government-owned institute in the country. So the country has approximately 50 million people. The institute was inaugurated in 2015, and before 2015, all children with cardiac disease were sent abroad for operation. Mainly they were going to India. And in the year 2014, the pediatric cardiac team returned from their study abroad, and they joined the team from the JKCI, and the operation for children started in 2015. So since the center started in 2015, a lot of children had an opportunity to have their surgeries. Before that, when they were sent to India, in a year, maximum of 20 to 40 children had their surgery. But when we started, the number of children who had open heart surgery for cardiac diseases increased. So when we started slowly. In the first year, we were able to operate 100 children. In the following year, it was 150. And last year alone, 350 children had their open heart surgery at the center. So we are very happy with what is going on right now, because a lot of children are having surgeries, but still we understand that we are not reaching everyone. But for the past 5 years, after we started operation at the JKCI, we have encountered some challenges. One of the challenges is that patients are coming very late, and since the patients are coming late, sometimes their outcome is not very optimal. And there are some children, like we reviewed our data, 15% of the children who could have their surgery, we could not operate because they passed their safe age for surgery. So among the strategies that we want to do to make sure that children have their surgery early is to try and find them early. And we have also realized that in our cohort, we're not doing a lot of neonates, and also we're not doing a lot of patients with cyanotic heart disease. So majority of what we are doing is VSDs and PDAs, but we've not been able to operate patients with TGAs. We've not seen a patient with hypoplastic left heart syndrome or the critical congenital heart disease. So to be able to do that, then we decided to do a newborn screening for critical congenital heart disease. We understand that many people are doing in a developed country, and very few centers in developing countries are doing it. But we hope by doing a newborn screening, we will be able to get good number of children, and we'll be able to help them early. So we are set to start the newborn screening at the Muhimbili National Hospital. Luckily, our cardiac center is within the same premises with the National Hospital. So the National Hospital has a good number of deliveries, around 10,000 in a year. So we are hoping to set up a program that every newborn will be screened for critical congenital heart disease. And all these patients who will be screened, then they will be aligned to the cardiac center for their open heart surgery. So we would really appreciate to get this fund which will help us to start this project. And it's our hope that if we demonstrate that it's doable in this center, then we could be able to convince the government, and then try to convince them to enroll throughout the country. So we will really appreciate if we'll be able to get this fund so that we can start this project and get these patients early so that they can be operated. Right now, we believe, because we're the only center, that all patients who are born with critical congenital heart disease are dying either at home or at the hospital, being mistakenly diagnosed as sepsis, because we are not seeing them in the cohort, and we are the only center that is doing open heart surgery. So we believe by doing this screening program, we will be able to identify these patients, and we'll be able to save their life. The other thing this project will help is in realization of the United Nations call to end preventable death to children by the year 2030. So when we look at the mortality rate in children, the mortality rate of children less than a neonatal mortality rate is still very high. And in Tanzania, we think the mortality rate is very high, and we're not sure we'll be able to reach the UN goal in 2030. And we know there are a lot of problems that are underway right now. The problem of helping baby to breathe, neonatal care, and management of sepsis. All these are trying to reduce the neonatal mortality rate, but we do not know what is the contribution of congenital heart disease in the neonatal mortality. So by starting this pilot project in Muhimbili, it will also help us to look at the contribution of the congenital heart disease in the neonatal mortality, because once we screen these patients and they have their echocardiography at the Jakaya Kikwete Cardiac Institute, we'll also follow them up for a period of 1 year. So by the end of 1 year, we will be able to know what's their state and who had their surgeries and what are the outcomes of these children. So we think this program will help us in so many ways, and it will form a benchmark data that can be used by our policymaker to be able to tackle the problem of congenital heart disease in Tanzania.